Hi everybody, I am going to discuss if else statement in Python programming. It is a multi-way branching statement in Python programming. Let us consider the concept of value. Hi everybody, I am going to discuss if else statement in Python programming. It is a multi-way branching statement in Python. It has many condition and many action. It has many conditions and many actions. Let us consider the syntax of if else. If the condition 1, suppose if the condition 1 is true, then statement within if execute. Statement 1. Else if, that is ELIF, else if condition 2, the condition 2 is true, then statement 2 execute. Else if condition 3, statement 3 execute. Else, that is the false part, that is statement n, suppose. And after the end of the if else, there is a statement x. So this is the concept of if else statement. If condition 1 is true, then it will enter statement 1 and then goes to the statement x. If condition 1 is not true, then it will check whether condition 2 is true. If condition 2 is false, then it will check again condition 3. If condition 3 is false, then again, so on until there is a else part. If the condition 1 is true, then it will execute statement 1. Then it will execute statement 1 and it goes to out of the if else, that is statement x. It's the statement x. If it is not true, that is false, then it will check the condition true and it will check the condition 2. If it is true, then it will execute statement 1, statement 2, then it will execute statement 2 and goes to statement x. If it is false, then it will check again else if else, that is the condition 3. If it is true, then it will execute statement 3 and goes to statement x. True, if all conditions are false, then it goes to statement x else part, that is statement n, and control goes to statement x. There are many conditions and depending on the condition, statement execute. If the condition is true, then it will perform the statement and terminate the if else. If the condition is not true, then you go check the next condition. If it is again not true, then check. If again not true, then check. If it is again not true, then it will check the next condition and so on. Finally, it goes to else part if all conditions are false. So this is the concept of if else in Python programming. Now let us consider the example of if else in Python. Write a program to check largest among three numbers. So we have to check largest among three numbers. First of all, we have to take three numbers. A equal to int input enter first number, b equal to input input enter second number, c equal to input enter third number. These are the three numbers given by the user. A, B and C all are integer number. Now we have to check if a greater than b and a greater than c and is a logical operator. It combine more than one condition. If all conditions are true, then it will execute the statement. If one of them is false, then it will never execute the statement within if or if else or else if. A greater than b or a greater than c. If a greater than b or a greater than c, then print largest is a. Else if b greater than a and b greater than c, then print largest is b. Else, this is the else part, largest is c. So this is the concept of if else if statement in Python programming. There are many conditions Actually, there are two conditions. If first one is true, then it will execute the largest is A. If the first one is not true, then it will check the second one. If the second one is not true, then it will check the third one. And in this way, statement will execute. If first one is true, then it will print and it goes to the out of the if else statement. So it is the example. So this is the example of if else statement in Python programming. Thank you very much for watching this video. Subscribe and share this video. Thank you very much. Let us consider the example largest among three numbers. Suppose the number is int input, enter the first number. B is int input, enter the second number. Input, enter the second number. Then C equal to int, enter the third number. If A greater than equal to B, A greater than B and A greater than C, then print largest among A and B is A. We can use a logical connector, that is AND OR. Here we A greater than B and A greater than C are combined by AND operator, that is logical operator. Now else, if B greater than C and B greater than A, print largest is B. Else, no need to specify the condition, just else colon and print the largest is C. If A greater than B, A greater than C, then A is largest. If B greater than C, B greater than A, B largest. Otherwise, C is the largest among three numbers. So else has no condition. Consider the output. Enter the first number, enter the second number, enter the third number, and the largest is 7, 8, 9, 9. Then enter the first number, second number, and the second one is largest. Then the first one, second one, and third one. The third one is largest.